Oh, it doesn't hurt either. Don't step on the rock, Jackson. They're slippery. Get used to them. Stay on the grass. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Go, Lily, go! Go get her. Go play tag. Play tag. Go tag her.
Is she playing water tag?
Yeah. You want to play water tag?
But that's so funny.
Yeah, it's funny, huh?
Yeah.
Go play water tag with her. Get a little bit closer so you can reach. Alright, so do it with your hand now.
I did it.
Get your whole arm wet. You dip your arm in this? There you go. Hey, hey, hey. Aw.
Hey, no, you're all wet. Hey, come on.
Good job. Keep going.
Come play. Run. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. She's trying to sit on the couch.
I want my shoes out.
Okay. Arms up.
My shoe out. My shoe out.
Shirt off.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Hold on. Hold on. Come closer, Lily. Come on.
You are
Come
slowly,
close.
mine. You are slowly.
It's okay. We'll warm up when you're all done, okay? Arms up.
All right. Let's play
Take your arm down.
tag water tag.
Water tag, go!
I'll stay out the water and Lily will stay in the water.
So what? Or sure, just wet. Ready, run! I'm telling you.
Or this is the thing. Do it.
Go run with her. Go run.
Tag. Do it.
Uh-oh. Tag Jackson. Tag your it.
Tag. Tag. Tag.
Run, Lily. Run, Lily. Run. Run. Tag Jackson's it. Uh-oh. Go get her. Go get her. You gotta go tag her back. Jackson, don't go over the rocks. You gotta stay on the grass, okay? Oh, run, Lily, run! Tag, you're it. Jackson's it. Hey, grab. Go run in the sprinkler. Hey, Jackson, stay over here, please. I don't want her running over there. Come on, Lily. Come on, you big chicken. Go. Sitting on it. Good job. Yeah. Now get your legs wet. You can get your shorts wet. Can you get your shorts wet? Lily, don't do that, Lily. Lily. Put off. You're going to break it. Lily. Hey. Stop. You're going to break it. Come on, there. Go run. Go tag her. Go tag her. Tag, run. Tag her. You did it. Run.
Lily.
Why do you think the wall of the house?
Oh, because it's got its spraying the wrong way, huh? Go run.
Let's turn it the other way. Keep doing another one. I like it.
Go play. You got the legs already wet. Go. Don't do it, Jackson. Don't run out there.